Hey everyone, we're starting the year with something exciting. Boxycharm has sent me their products for the month and I just want to go through them with you. And so for those of you who are new to Boxycharm, I just wanted to let you know that there are different packages. You can basically get 5 full-size products at the base, like that's the base box, and that's the box that I'm showing you today. But we do have like other, packages where you can get like more products, and I actually really love the base box because you're getting full-size products. I mean, I think that's pretty awesome. If you want to pick up your own Boxycharm box, be sure to use my code because it'll save you a little bit of money. If this is something that interests you, remember to subscribe and drop a comment below because I'd love to see more of you. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I'm so happy to see you here in 2023. Happy New Year. I hope that your year is going very well for you. So what products have I got in my Boxycharm? The box is over here. And I just want to open it. We're just going to keep this very, very casual, and we're going to see what's inside. So as always, they have that orange thing to protect the products. So this month, our theme is so fresh and so clean. So this is, the postcard with the products at the back. I will tell you how much this box is worth as we go through it, but let's find the first product. Okay, so the first one is from Wonder Beauty. It's called the Sweet Escape Palette. It says, send yourself on a sweet escape with this perfectly curated collection of matte and shimmering neutral and bold shades that will take you effortlessly from day to play wherever you wander. And this retails for $42. It is an exclusive drop. Oh, that sounds really exciting. Okay, so this is the first product. So I'll just show you up close. And it is a neutral palette. So let's open that. These products are packaged so well, they don't want to come out. Okay, I managed to get it open. Let's see what I have been sent. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it. It looks exactly the same as the, packaging on the outside. It's blank at the back. And, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm a fan of purple. And this palette is, oh my goodness, gorgeous. Look at those shades. Okay, so when they were saying neutrals, I was preparing myself to be a little disappointed because my channel's name is Colourful Indian, so that's pretty obvious. I like color. But these shades are absolutely stunning, and they kind of look like duochromes. Like, can you see that? Like, there are definitely some shifts that are happening here. And it's so exciting. I love those purple tones. I love that pink and that gold. I feel like these are some very, very classic combinations of color, and they're just so gorgeous. I am so excited to create a look with this palette. Like, I didn't expect to be this excited, but I really am. I'm kind of crushing on those shimmers right over here, especially like that one and that one over here. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. I'm so excited about this palette. I really, really am. I don't even know Wonder Beauty. I don't believe that I've heard of it before, but it looks so beautiful. And I'm so excited to create a look and show you what I create. Let's go to the next item. Okay, Earth Harbor. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so I have been wanting to try Earth Harbor for forever. I have received the Nebula Adaptogen Clarity Ampoule, the answer to finding peaceful energy and the light within your skin, both a potent clarifying treatment and a gentle glow enhancing elixir. This ampoule is a feather light flash absorbing formula specifically designed to help distressed skin prone to acne, blemishes, and excess oil. Oh, that's awesome, because like I definitely get blemishes. Like you can see, like you can definitely see my scars. You can see that was a blackhead, but this is basically the product right over here. We have Nebula. So I have heard so many good things about Earth Harbor. This sounds so amazing. I'm so excited to receive my very first Earth Harbor product. This is sea lavender and ginseng, purely natural, ethical, sea active. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. So the ritual is for a hyper-concentrated treatment. Apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning as needed. Massage until absorbed. For a daily skincare cocktail, add 2 or more drops to any Earth Harbor serum or moisturizer morning and night. Sounds really, really nice. I'm really excited about it. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. Are you seeing Like, is this the bottle color? Like, or is it this? I think it's this. Okay, I think the bottle is actually like colored this way, but that was beautiful. Oh my goodness. And it's also purple. Oh my goodness, I'm kind of going a bit crazy over this. This is gorgeous. And like, it's just so, oh, it's so pretty. I can't wait to use this. I'm really excited because I know that Earth Harbor has a lot of good reviews. Okay, so the price of this is $46. Okay, let's go to the next one. We have Persona Cosmetics. I have not heard of this before. It's an e-balm tinted lip balm, a sheer lightweight tinted lip balm packed with nourishing ingredients designed for feel-good comfort anytime, anywhere. Oh yeah, that sounds really good. I love lip balms because, as you know, I have dry lips, so I'm constantly reaching for like lip balms. Whenever Boxycharm or Ipsy send me like a lip balm, I'm like, thank you so much. I love it. Okay, so this costs $22. Let's check out the product. That would be this over here. Okay, let us see what this looks like. So this is in the shade Manifest. It says that over there. And it looks like it's a peachy kind of pink. Oh, okay, it looks really pretty. I wasn't expecting this as the packaging. Okay, let me see how to open this. Ooh! Okay. I always get heart attacks when products are like really tight because I have spoiled so many products like opening them. Oh my goodness, look at that. It is so pretty. Ooh, and it clicks. Isn't that satisfying? I really like it. Yeah, I like doing all kinds of things like that. It's a bit hard to cap on, but never mind. At least I know I'm not going to spoil it. Okay, so as I said, this was $22. Okay, the next one, True and Luscious Angel Eyes Primer. Okay, so hydrating eye primer that locks in your eyeshadow and concealer for crease-proof, no smudge wear for up to 16 hours. Tinted formula corrects redness, creates an even canvas that intensifies the vibrancy of powder and cream eyeshadows. Infused with soothing Damascene rose extract as well as bentonite clay to naturally balance oil and form a protective barrier under makeup. Okay, so first of all, I love bentonite clay. I use like a bentonite clay mask once a week for my skin to suck the impurities out, and it really does. When I'm doing this consistently, like there are some weeks when I actually skip, but when I'm doing it consistently, like on a week-by-week basis, the bentonite clay is absolutely amazing. I honestly don't even have like, I feel like the skin, especially around my nose, becomes so smooth because everything's getting sucked out. So I'm really excited about this. This is $22. So I'm assuming it's this, yeah, it's this one. And it's got a cute pair of angel wings over there. Okay. So, and oh, it's like, it's got that yellow shade over there. So I guess it looks kind of yellow. Let me see. This is in the shade Light Nude. Okay, so I don't really know if this will, okay, so yeah, this is the product. It is a purple tube, as you can see. And this is a 10 ml. And let's see what color that is. So this is the color. Can you see that? Yeah, I think you can see that. Okay, so this is, it's not yellow, it's more like a skin tone shade. Kind of reminds me of my Louise base that I had bought, but we're gonna test it out because it is sounding really amazing, and it's saying no creasing, smudging, or fading for up to 16 hours. Yeah, we're gonna have to try that one out. I'll wear it all day and then I will let you know what I think. Okay, and the next one, Shina B Miami. This is so funny. I have a friend called Shina. I need to tell her that I got a makeup product with her name on it. Okay, so this is a cream blush. Oh, awesome. I love cream blushes. Okay, so this Ultra Velvety cream blush gives you a natural looking flush. It's a long lasting formula, applies easily, blends quickly for a seamless finish. $18, and this is a new brand to Boxycharm. Exciting. Let's open it and see. So first of all, I can see it's called Rosa. It's got some flamingos over there. Very cute. Let's open this and see what color this is. Ooh, it's pink. I love pink. Okay, I'm such a girl when it comes to stuff like this. Yeah, that's really cute. Very adorable. I love the flamingos and the heart. I really need to show my friend Shina this. It's kind of funny actually. She's from the Maldives. Anyway, so this is the blush. I'm not very sure how this particular tone will work with my skin tone, but I will still use it and we will see how it looks. Alright, so that's all I have for the Boxycharm unboxing. Let's meet back here for the first impressions, because I will be trying these products out and I will be giving you my ideas on like how they actually feel on the skin. I'm totally dying to try out the Earth Harvest Serum and see how it performs with makeup. I'm always trying to see like what skincare will, you know, kind of be really, really nice as a base, because I believe that you need to look after your skin. Makeup is usually very drying. It gets rid of, I mean, now makeup's kind of changing, but it's not changed that much, I think, because I'm still getting a lot of dry skin every time I put, you know, like a ton of makeup on my skin all the time. So I really do love testing out skincare and seeing how it performs with makeup. So I will see you in a brand new video for that. Stay tuned, and until then, I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.